Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how I've reorganised my son's wardrobe and cleaned his bedroom. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how I'm going to reorganise my son's wardrobe. So it's nearly winter in the UK and the colder weather is coming, and we've just recently bought Ted a whole new winter wardrobe, so I want to organise his clothes so that it's easy for him to find them. And I also think I might have a tidy up of his bedroom today as well, depending on how much time I have. But I definitely want to reorganise his winter wardrobe, and of course while I was doing that I thought I'd share what I was doing with you. So here is how I've reorganised my son's winter wardrobe. To start the process, the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the wardrobe. Everything is out of the wardrobe, so now what I'm going to do is sort through all of the clothes and see what I want to keep and see what I want to give to charity, and maybe what needs to go to recycling as well. This is a pile of clothes to go to the charity shop that Ted no longer wears or has grown out of. And then this pile of clothes is to go back into the wardrobe. He still has quite a few clothes, which I'm really pleased about. I thought I'd left him with not very many, but actually this looks like enough for winter. So yeah, I'm going to put these clothes back in the wardrobe. Trousers to go in the wardrobe, but I have blocked this door off with these clothes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put all of the clothes into this black bin liner, and then these will be the ones that go to charity. are Ted's old school clothes, which is why they didn't go into the black bin liner. I've just got to remove the labels and then I can take these to school and they can go in the charity box at school. Now I can move on to putting Ted's trousers into his wardrobe and taking off the labels from the new trousers that he has, and I've also got his school uniform to go in as well. This is Ted's wardrobe finally complete. So as you can see, I have put all of his trousers into this holder here. We did used to put them in the chest of drawers down here, but I used to find that really confusing and quite hard work. So I bought this, and this has made the whole system a lot easier, and he can now find his clothes really easily as well when he wants to. And I have just simply hung up his t-shirts, then I've got his jumpers here, and then I've got his school uniform here and his winter coat here. So hopefully he should be able to find everything he wants. But now I have to clean out this underwear drawer. There are socks in here from when he was about 3 or 4, I think. So I really need to clean out this underwear drawer, and his underpants need cleaning out as well. He's got some new ones that I want to put in. And I also need to clean out the pyjama drawer as well. So I'm going to do that now. Chest of drawers has been reorganised. So what I've done is I've put Ted's socks in one basket at the end, like his trendy socks, the ones he's going to wear outside of school. Then he's got his school socks here, and then he's got his underpants here. And then I had a big clear out of his pyjamas, so I probably will need to buy him some more pyjamas because he's only got about 5 sets, I think, now. So yeah, I'm gonna have to buy him some more pyjamas. And then if you're wondering, the bottom drawer is just like an odds drawer where I just keep things that he's going to grow into, basically. So I'm not going to touch the bottom drawer today, but I am going to have a quick tidy of Ted's bedroom now as well. As I just said, I'm going to have a little tidy up of Ted's bedroom. It's not too bad. I just need to tidy the desk, make the bed, and tidy the bedside cabinets as well. Ted's wardrobe reorganised and his bedroom has been tidied as well, so I'm really pleased with the finished results. His wardrobe is looking really organised, so hopefully he'll be able to find the clothes that he wants to wear when he wants to wear them. It was getting a bit tight in there with everything in there, so I'm really pleased that I've had a clear out of his old clothes and put all of his new clothes into his wardrobe now. And his bedroom is looking tidy. I'm not sure for how long this is going to look this tidy, but it looks tidy for now, so I'm happy. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.